Hello, this is a video tutorial about how to upload new firmware to our Intercell website and add it to a product page under the downloads section of a product and distribute to the customer. So what you need to do first, you need to log in to the backend system of Intercell website. So that is wp-admin, and you can log in, use your own credential, and once you log in, you navigate to the product. So click on the product here. It will show all the products that we have. You need to find out which product that you would like to add the firmware to. For example, I can search for that SAM3T, enter, and it will start to search. And it will give me the product that with the name SAM3T. For example, if I want to edit this one, I click edit this product here. So wait for it to load. Okay, so this section is actually the feature section here. So feature is the text feature here is defined in the first editor window here. And surprisingly, the product short description, the Smart SAM3T is a UMTS based modem, is actually on the top of the product description here. What we want to do is we want to actually add a new firmware into the download tab about just below here. So what you need to do is first add a file. So what you can do is you can open a new tab. And the file size is less than 8 megabyte. If it is greater than 8 megabyte, I'll use the Ventura IP backend to upload that. Please see another video tutorial that I send it to you. But if it is less than 8 megabyte, you can select the file and find out the firmware file you would like to upload. Do not upload any file with exe, executable, or jar file. Any executable file, it will be not accepted because of the security. Please put all the executable files into a zip file to distribute. For example, here I have a SAM3T firmware new version 1.23. Open that. It will start to upload the file from your local machine to our website. Okay, now you have that. You can simply go into the library and it will show you that you have this SAM3T firmware 1.23.0. Click on that. It will give you the URL, which is the actual link to this file. So we need to use that. So open up a notepad and put it here. So that is actually that we need to share it with the customer, so customer can download the new firmware. Then you go back to the product page and scroll down, go to the tabs, click on that, and you can see here that's download section. That's exactly as this one. So it's this section is actually defined in here. A lot of code here, but don't worry about that. First thing you need to do is select them all and copy, and in the notepad paste that, and you can if you just you can see that it's much more clear here that every item is in one line. For example, the last item here is called USB driver for Windows. That's exactly the same as this one. USB, you can see here, USB driver for Windows, USB driver for Windows. What you can do is simply copy this line at the bottom here, like this. You can see that we have two USB for Windows here, and this is title. This is title. Maybe you have new firmware. You can say firmware 1.23, and here's a link. Link here is the URL that you need to replace. Do you remember that we have the URL to the new firmware? What you need to do is replace it with your new one. So just like this, just like this. And once you have done that, you can copy everything back to the download section here. Keep everything selected, delete them all, and paste your new stuff. And after that, you can update the product. Wait for it to be updated. Okay, so it says product updated. Now I go back to my page. If I refresh that page, and go to the download section, you can see that here is a firmware 1.23 we just added. If the customer click on that, it will pop up the screen and asking the customer to save the file, so customer can download the file from our website easier. So okay, that's a video tutorial about how to upload and distribute files from our website. Thank you for watching.